Alright, so this is a 5.7 Hemi. I'm getting it ready for boost. And I need to hook up the intake air temperature sensor. So I was just trying to figure out where to add it. And I'm sure if other people want to add boost, they're going to have to figure out how to put it in there securely so it doesn't get blown out or leak. So there's two different sensors that I can pick from here. One is from 2010. The short one is the one that came on the car when I got it. They're different styles, so if you have a certain style and you want it to be another kind, then you can definitely get a different sensor. So you definitely want to have it near the intake where the throttle body connects here. You want it to be on this side of the intake. You don't want it to go before the turbo because you want to know what the temperature is going into the engine. So we want it as close to possible as here. So what I'm going to do is take this piece out. I'm going to drill a hole in it big enough to insert the rubber grommet there. Got the blow-off valve portion here. Oh, and the hole for the sensor is gonna go right about here. And the hole is gonna be big enough for this little grommet to go in there. And then once that goes in, we'll be able to slide this in place. And then the sensor will be close enough to where it needs to be, and we'll be able to plug it in without modification. Alright, I'm gonna start drilling a hole here for this, and then we'll get that hole taken care of. We want to be careful not to make it too big. Almost big enough. Because it needs to be big enough for this to fit through at least. Almost there. Got the hole in there now. We can put the rubber insert in there. And if you want to add a little bit of extra sealing there, you can put some black gasket maker around inside the gasket here. And then we're going to pop it in place. Just squish one end in. Yeah, and then we should be able to squeeze the sensor in there now. Okay, I now got the sensor in place and it's nice and secure. So I'm gonna reinstall this and we'll be able to plug that in now. Alright, I got this back in place, and as you can see, the sensor fits in there perfectly. It doesn't hit anything. And yeah, so that's done. I'm gonna move on to the next part now, which is gonna be getting the exhaust plumbed over here, and then after that I'm gonna be changing out the fuel injectors, changing the fuel pump, and we're also going to be gapping these spark plugs. Alright, hopefully this helped you if you're trying to boost your Hemi too, and have a good day.